Hello guys, welcome to Abby and Filter TV. So let's have merienda together. Today we will be having pancit, yung soft tacos natin and our orange juice. So itong pancit niluto to ni Tin. So makita nyo, yung kulay niya medyo orange na yellow. So parang nahahawi siya sa pancit malabon. But I cannot call it pancit malabon kasi yung pancit malabon pala, I've heard na yun pala is maraming seafoods. Pero kami nga, we don't eat seafoods eh. So medyo allergic kami doon. So ito puro meat ang nilalagay ni Tin, which is I really love it. Kasi nga syempre, meat lover tayo. So nilagyan natin ng chicharon. So let's have a taste. Sarap. Wow. Ang sarap na ano eh. The texture of the noodles plus the crunchiness of our chicharon, it really complements. Wow. Ang laki ng nabibigay na ano ng texture ng chicharon. Ang sarap niya talaga. It's really good. Wow. Ito yung paborito naming tacos with ano. Ang ginawa namin dito kasi nga yung tacos, di ba, napaka-versatile naman niya. So, ito ang ginamit namin, chicken, tapos 3 kinds of cheese. So, tikman natin kung anong kinalabasan. Wow. Sarap. May mozzarella to eh. No? Sarap. If I'm not mistaken, tacos is a Mexican food, no? Tapos, yung tacos pala, it means light lunch. Yun pala ibig sabihin. But before that, the Mexican miner daw, they call a gunpowder wrapped in a paper tacos. So, yun pala yun. Kaya siguro it's exploding with flavor. Kasi ang dali lang kasing gawin nito. Tapos, ang sarap niya, no? Napaka, ano niya, napaka-versatile niya talaga. Guys, thank you nga pala sa pag-support sa channel namin. And lumalaki na yung family natin, dumadami yung followers natin. I really appreciate you guys. Of course, supportahan din natin yung iba nating kasamang mga content creator like FamGB, Psych and Kalayaan Moto Club Adventure. Yan, magaganda rin yung mga vlogs nila. It's about travel. It's about explaining the history